Welcome back to our coverage of the 2024 Collision Conference. I'm here with Tanika from OneClick, that's CLIQ, to chat with us about the startup and her connection to York Region. Thanks so much for your time, Tanika.
Thanks for having me.
So yeah, let's hear, what's OneClick all about?
Yeah, so OneClick is an artificially intelligent co-worker for marketing firms, marketing agencies. We help them automate some of the steps in their researching and creative development process with something that feels like a coworker.
Yeah, awesome. So a company would use your services to better tailor their marketing approach, and do you choose the platforms that they want to get in front of, like, for example, social media, and if so, what platforms on social media for marketing, or is that something that they should decide on their own or that you would help with?
We actually help them with more of the behind the scenes sort of grunt work in research. So for them to think of creative or strategic sort of directions for their marketing campaigns for their own clients, they need to do a lot of research around the topic, maybe what people feel about that topic, and maybe what informs purchasing decisions around that product. And so that's usually really intensive, really cognitively heavy work to do like a qualitative and quantitative analysis based on maybe Reddit threads or blog articles, things like that. And so we're helping them do that a little more automatically to help them really root their ideas in data with a more sort of clear connection to that data so that they can go from data through to insight, through to strategies and campaign ideas.
Without getting too techy, is this your own AI, or are you taking an AI platform already and then just customizing it with your own data sets?
Yeah, so we've built a framework that's model agnostic. So we can use any of the models out there from OpenAI, Google's Gemini, or even Anthropic.
Yeah, great. And what's your connection to York Region?
Yeah, so we have been lucky enough to be part of YSpace, an amazing accelerator with so many great programs. Treefrog and ventureLAB, they've all supported us throughout our journey. Yeah.
Fantastic. And how's your show so far? And what are you looking to achieve here at Collision Conference?
Yeah, it's been great. This is our third time at Collision, so it's really just about connecting with people, seeing some familiar faces, checking out new startups, and really just the community and the networking opportunities.
Fantastic. Is there a website where our viewers rather, I host a radio show and podcast, so I'm used to saying listeners. That's my radio show. So I'm just going to redo that answer. I'll just say, awesome. And is there a website that our viewers can learn more about OneClick?
Yeah, so it's oneclick.io. That's ONECLIQ.io. And you can follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, basically all of the socials.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tanika. Be well. Thank you.
Thank you.